welcome you all on CollegeDekho channel. So I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are liking our videos, and your love and support is very important for everyone on this platform who is providing you the classes and guiding you for about your future too. So guys, this is a platform for you only in terms of. So guys, this is a platform for you in terms of clearing your exam with a very good marks. So, so if you all want, if you all want to clearing your exam with a very awesome marks, so don't forget to inquire about your queries in respect of your syllabus, in respect of your courses. Clear? So, uh, on the CollegeDekho channel, uh, in this video, under the description box, you will having a Google form in which you can fill up about your points, about your details, and then the respective teams will contact with you. And next is the mobile number is also available. You can call them and inquire your queries and everything about your course and related subject. So translating this in a Hindi, कॉलेज देखो चैनल आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है आपकी क्लासेस, जो भी कोर्स आप कर रहे हैं, रिस्पेक्टिव वीडियोस वगैरह आपको सारी प्रोवाइड की गई हैं. एज पर आप जो भी कोर्स को परस्यू कर रहे हैं, आप उस कोर्स से रिलेटेड क्लासेस के बारे में इंक्वायर कर सकते हो. कॉलेज देखो चैनल के जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गूगल फॉर्म है, उसमें आप अपनी डिटेल्स अपडेटेड डाल के इंक्वायरी कर सकते हो, तो रिस्पेक्टिव टीम आपसे कनेक्ट कर लेगी. नेक्स्ट, कॉलिंग नंबर इज ऑल्सो गिवन. कॉलिंग नंबर भी आपको दे रखा है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, जिसपे आप कॉल करके भी आपकी क्वेरीज पूछ सकते हैं. तो दोनों अनाउंसमेंट हो गई, इंग्लिश में भी और हिंदी में भी. एंड वन मोर थिंग, योर सपोर्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरी फैकल्टी. So if you are having any doubt, if you are having any query respect of any topic, obviously don't ask your query on any other videos comment session. Please ask your queries and your doubts in respect of the particular video only. Clear? So this is all about the announcement and information. Today we are going to start with a new topic. 2-3 days back, I took the session about the macroeconomics. Okay, what is the macroeconomics? I took the session on that topic. Today I am going to expand that topic in terms of detailing about the national income. So first of all, we'll start a topic about the history point. Yes. First of all, about the economics. Economics is what? Economics is about the finances, about the wealth, about the welfare, about the scarcity of resources. That means you should be allocate the resources in a proper and appropriate manner. And last is your growth and analysis. This is what we called as the economics. So economics are of two types, that is a micro and a macroeconomics. Microeconomics talk about the internal factors of the company's organization, and macroeconomics tells about the aggregation, about the aggregate session. Clear? So in terms of macroeconomics, when the macroeconomics talk about the aggregate, Aggregate means, as I told you in the introduction sessions too, a firm. An example, that is a Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry is working under, let's have a example of a textile. Yes, Reliance Industry having a one unit or one industry of the textile too. So whatever the profit of the textile is coming, that is the profit of the Reliance Industry only. This is what we are calculating in a micro level. So when the whole India textile industry, that is a industry, that means in that Birla is also there, Ambani is also there, and all the other companies who are working under the textile, their total output of the year was to be calculated under the that level in terms of a macro level. So this is what the macro shows and tell you about the totality of your country. Let's suppose in an agriculture, how much the national output of the country, what the national income the countries earns, what is the basic product and service during the year. This is all about the macroeconomics in terms while we are calculating such a things. So today we are going to expand this topic with our concept of a national income. What do you mean by the national income? And what are the provisions related to the national income? Normal, as I told, that is a macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is important in terms of the aggregation, calculation of the economics. So let's have a topic that is a macroeconomics. Which one? So national means within a country, and the total income of the country is termed as a national income. So first point behind this concept, that is the national income, is national income is an important for macroeconomics. Any student having any doubt, you may ask in a comment section. Macroeconomics. Aggregate forming and analysis and provide detailed about measures of the value and composition of national output and income generated in the production of that output. So long, na? No. It is not as such long definition or a meaning. It's just saying that the national income is all about the macroeconomics, and it helps to make it aggregate, also analysis, and also providing the detail about the total value and all the totality part of the national output, and whatever be the income generated from the proper production of that particular goods and services. This is what we called as national income. So national income is okay. First of all, my question arises that it's very important to calculate the national income. Yes, it's important. Likewise, as we all calculate our income, as we calculate our income, yes, we earn this income. This is what my CTC. This is what my per annum income. This is what my royalty income. All these income are the are we are calculating for ourselves, for our family, for our noons, and everyone will definitely tell them that yes, how this much I am earning or not. So this is all about while we are individually, we are calculating for ourselves. So this is our India also, or the country also, who must know what is the actual income they earn in the respective year. Yes, this is all about the concept about the national income. National income is a totality your country within the country income, and it is all about to the aggregate income in terms of while we are providing, analyzing and detailing about the measures in terms of a value and also the generation in the way of the production of that goods and services. This is what we called as national income. Moving further, why we need, what is the useful points, or we can say what is the significance of the national income. Let's have some significance or the importance of the national income. Importance of national income. What is the importance of the national income? First point, likewise I took the example that as we calculate our income individual level to tell our family that yes, how much we are earning. So this is the only reason for ourselves. That is the also the only reason for the country to, that it give them a comprehensive, conceptual, and accounting framework for the analyzing and for the short run and the long run too, to know about the economy level of our country. That is the first basic importance of the national income, that we must have to calculate that. This is the first point, that we must have it in a comprehensive, conceptualized and accounting framework. So coming ahead with the first point, that is it provides a comprehensive, conceptual and accounting framework for analyzing and evaluating the short run performance economy of an economy. This is the first and main reason. That's why we need to calculate national income. Second point, the distribution pattern of national income determines that what the goods demand and what are the services enable for the businesses to forecast the future demand of their products too. Likewise, let's have a one example in this term, that while we are calculating the national income, we will get to know that how we have to distribute that national income, that which products are demanding in the market. As the product is demanding in the market, that product is only the product which are giving the revenue to the supplier, okay, and the seller. So when the product is more and more demanding, then we get sorry, then we can easily calculate about the future forecasting of the demand too. So that will help us to understand that right now in this year what we earned as a national income, and also we can forecast about the future too. So this is our second point, the distribution pattern of national income determines the pattern determines the pattern of demand for goods and services and enables the businesses to forecast the future demand for their product. Simple point, simple language. Okay. Next point, as we learn about, yes, it's a comprehensive, conceptual, and also counting framework. We must know about the national income of our country. And second is it also helps us to focus the future demand of their products and everything. So these are the 2 points. Next is this a national income is come under the qualitative basis or a quantitative basis? So my answer is national income statistics also easily understand and provided in terms of a quantitative basis for macroeconomics, because we need to be assessed and choosing the proper economic policies so that we can achieve more and more in our economic level too, because economic is our backbone for every country. As our finances, if our finances are disturbed or little bit problem is arises, our country economic in say approximately 180 degrees may be changed. So the third point in terms of the importance of a national income is national income national income statistics also provide a quantitative basis for macroeconomics modeling and analyzing and analysis for assessing and choosing the economic policy and choosing the economic policy. And under the macroeconomics, we are having some calculations too. Yes, further we learn about the national income calculation, about the GDP calculation, how do we calculate this thing with a given data. Everything will be going to be covered in the class. So first is next is your statistical way में we can easily quantitative way में कह सकते हैं हम that we can calculate macroeconomics modeling analysis, so we can set our objectives according to the national income proportionate changes. And one more thing, can we compare with the last year data too? Yes, we always compare. We always compare our national income, GDP, and everything with our last year data too. Point number four, economic welfare. Economic welfare depends to a considerable extent on the distribution of national income, size of per capita income, per capita income, and growth of all these as per time. Simple thing is this, as we calculate all such factors in terms of a distribution of national income or the size of the per capita income, growth, and everything, all these things are to be analyzed time to time, and whatever the steps or whatever the action behind all this to make a, let's say, improvement, to improvise all this thing, it's very important. That is the only reason our national income will increases day by day. Okay, so these are some points which we have to understand in terms of a national income. It's not it doesn't mean that the importance is only in like that. We are having two or three more points also, but majority points are covered under the these 4 points. Point number fifth, the composition and structure of the national income in terms of a different sector of the economy, because we are having a different sectors. Okay, so we have to calculate in an aggregate way. We are having composition and structure of national income in terms of different sectors of the economy, in and also in a periodical variations and secretarial shifts. We all have to calculate in an totality format. That means that is the next point. The composition and structure the composition and structure of national income in terms of different sector of the economy. Is all these things are relevant? Is all these things are relevant? Yes. Answer is completely yes. Next point. Point number 6. National income. National income. National income is a relevant concept. Or component for the economic forecasting and also make projections, also make projections about the future development, about the future development, trends of the economy, trends of the economy. So this is about the concept of national income. As we learn about some meaning about the national income and what are the important factor of the national income. Let's suppose if we learn about all these things, this will help us to know more about our economy in a very well manner. So this is the way to learn, and this is all about this. Yes. So in short way, if I want to say this, so I am summarize this point in a Hindi in 2 minutes. दैट इज अ नेशनल इनकम. नेशनल इनकम क्या होती है? आपकी एग्रीगेट इनकम होती है. जो भी इंडिया के अंदर टोटालिटी के अंदर हमें इनकम अर्न हुई है, दैट इज आवर नेशनल इनकम. इसको हमें क्यों कैलकुलेट करना होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ कंसेप्चुअल, मतलब कोई भी चीज होती है प्रॉपर वे में आ जाए ताकि हम अकाउंटिंग फ्रेमवर्क बना सके, और जितनी इनकम जिन भी प्रोडक्ट से हमें इस साल हो रही है तो वो हमें और हेल्प करती है टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कितने किस चीज की डिमांड ज्यादा हो रही है, ताकि हम फ्यूचर में फोरकास्ट कर सके मोर एंड मोर डिमांड फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलरली दैट सेक्टर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द नेशनल इनकम स्टैटिस्टिकल्स. यस, क्वांटिटेटिव वे में भी आपकी नेशनल इनकम रहती है. असेसिंग एंड चूजिंग द इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी, दिस इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ द नेशनल इनकम. Economic welfare is also depends on economic welfare of the society in terms of the distribution of national income, and also in terms of a size of per capita income and a growth. Time to time जो change हो रहा है and time to time help कर रहा है for the progressing. ये सब आपका किसका पार्ट बनता है? नेशनल इनकम का. जब हम नेशनल इनकम को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं और इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं, तो ये आपका कंपोजिशन जो इसका स्ट्रक्चर बनता है, ये टोटालिटी में बनता है. लाइक योर एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर प्लस योर इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर, योर सर्विस सेक्टर, सबकी एग्रीगेट ही हमारी इसमें टोटालिटी में आती है इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ नेशनल इनकम. तो ये चीज हमें इसलिए भी जाननी बहुत जरूरी है, जैसे आज हम अपनी इंडिविजुअल इनकम को समझते हैं, तो वैसे ही हमें अपनी कंट्री की इनकम को भी समझना चाहिए. सो ये हमारे लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ नेशनल इनकम. सो टुडे वी आर कंक्लूडिंग आवर क्लास ओवर हियर ओनली. सो ऑल अबाउट दिस upcoming sessions and everything, if you want to learn more about this concept, more about the classes and all the other schedules of a classes or any other faculties schedules too, you may ask in a respective number which is given in the description box. Plus there is also a Google form which is whose link is provided in your description box. You can click that link and provide your details properly. Don't provide any fake details. There is all about general details they are asking about you, like your name, number and email ID, and especially the main important part is that which course you are pursuing. Okay, so the respective person may guide you easily about the course structure and about the classes and all about the time. So today we completed this concept, that is the national income. In our last class of a macroeconomics, we understand about the concept of a macroeconomics, and today we take some further topic in terms of the national income. So soon we are coming with more or introduction sessions of our. I am also coming and all the other faculties is also coming with the live sessions to understand you more and more and make clarities about your doubts and your concept. So आज का सेशन यहीं ओवर करते हैं. जिन भी बच्चों को अगर कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है, कुछ भी है, तो आप उस पर्टिकुलर रिस्पेक्टिव वीडियो के कमेंट सेशन में आप पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, ji. So for the today we are concluding the session, and soon we'll going to